Hey guys, today let's learn how to create another profile on Facebook. So if you guys want to go ahead and create another profile on the Facebook application, all we need to do first, I'm going to teach you guys that in this video. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. All right guys, what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Facebook application. And then once we're already here, let's go ahead and tap on our names on the lower corner on our menus. And then let's go ahead and try to access our profile over here. So once we're here, let's actually try to see if we can access our profiles through here. So let's tap on this drop down over here and let's see if we do have other profiles. And we actually do. So we do have our main profile over here. We have our pages. And if you want to go ahead and create a new profile, all we need to do that is to tap on this create Facebook profile. Now, once we're here, of course, it's going to take you through the on-screen instructions. So let's go ahead and tap on get started and we'll go ahead and enter our preferred profile name. So you could go ahead and enter whatever name you'd like and just go ahead and use this as an example. Tap on continue, and then you're going to use these username options to basically confirm that you want to use this as your username. You could also go ahead and type in your preferred username if you prefer to, but for me, I'm going to be good with this one. Next, let's tap on create profile, and our profile is now being created. Basically, just wait for this process to be done, and that's how you guys could create another profile on Facebook under your same account. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.